Hey everyone, welcome back to LinkedIn Job Bot series, and this is part 3. And today we are going to teach our bot how to search for a job on a LinkedIn using the keywords we pull from Excel in a part 2. And let's make your job hunt easier, faster, and smarter. Here, what this bot will do today, step by step, is open a LinkedIn in a web browser, then type a job keyword from Excel into a search box here. Once you type, let's say, .NET developer, or let's say Power Automate. Okay, so set filter. We have a filter here, date posted, and maybe location. Now location, earlier it was two boxes here, now the location is here, so you have to change it from here. Just close it, and I think, yeah, so you have to just close it here and search it for United Kingdom. Okay, and the job type maybe I think we have here. Okay, so we have only two filters, I guess, here, this two. Okay, switch to classic job search. So we have here switch to classic job search. Okay, so I think we have to do it from this switch to classic job search, and then keep open your browser, and then you can find out, and you can just do it the filters on your machine. Then just quick reminder, you guys, in a part 2, we read job keywords from an Excel file using a loop. Each keyword is stored in a variable, like we are using the current keyword. And now we will use that keyword to perform in a LinkedIn job search. Now let's go, we need to open a LinkedIn job search page, this page. Okay, and the action in a Power Automate desktop. So I'll just open this Power Automate desktop, and what we need to do it, we need to launch new Chrome browser or Edge browser. I am preferring the Chrome browser here, so I'm just putting it. I have so let's just copy this URL from here to here. Okay, and I'll just put it this URL this way. Windows state, do it maximize. Okay, and just do save. Once you add launch browser, don't forget to close as well, right? So just use it, close web browser. So now just at the end, we have to add it at the end. Okay, fine, I'll just save this and I'll drag drop here. Okay, and yeah, we are this done. Now what we'll do, we will do it, wait. So after the new Chrome, I'll just wait, and duration is 2 seconds. I'll just timing, I'll add it 2 seconds. That, and if we found any issues or we need any delay in between, we will add more, and that. Okay, so, and one tip, make sure you are logged in into a LinkedIn browser already. Okay, now uh, let's enter our job keyword from Excel into a search box. So what we need to do with action is here, let's focus on a text box field and web. So before that, as we already fetching data from Excel here, and we already keep Chrome browser open, so every time we need to put the search keyword, that is a title of the job, that we have to enter into a Chrome browser. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just clip the open this capture. If you see this recording window, once you click on that, the recording window. Okay, so you just let me do minimize, and let me just remove this and just hit the search button. So whenever I hit the search button, it will come into this picture. Okay, so sorry. Let me do it, record. Yeah, so I think it's started. Now, if you see here, the input text, you have to just hold control button and just click it. So once you do it, it will automatically get captured. Now the location, by default it's setting location is United Kingdom, but as of now what we'll do, I will just give this United Kingdom into my variable, not a dynamic. I'll just give it as a static one. Okay, so this is getting a capture now. Okay, and that's it. And hit the search button, I think. Yeah, so oh, yeah, so now it is taking an action. Okay, and let's go to recorder. Okay, so if you see, it took many of them. Okay, so what we'll do, it's saying that this is auto generated and it is mix of this everything. So we have to, oh, it is not responding. Okay, I'll just delete. We don't require that one. I'll just delete this as well, not required. Whatever is not required, we'll just go and delete it. I just delete send keys. Okay, so now this is an input text search by title skill, and this is a click on web page. We don't require click, just go and populate it. So let me see, just click on it, and whenever you just hover, it will show you what exactly, text box input boxes. So your FSC, we didn't get an input box actually. So what we'll do, I'll just come to here and this for each loop, and I will bring this popular text page. Okay, and I'll just go with move it to after the set variable. Once I move it this similar way, what you need to do it, I'll just go to populate text field. Under you have, if you see, these two popular text fields are coming. One is from UI automation and one is from browser automation. This is a web form and this is form filling. So we required this web form filling. So I'll just click on this. Okay, and the browser UI element, we already captured the UI element. Just click on this and you see this is a title, United Kingdom, and this is title. Let me see, I'm not able to see it. I'll just bring it a little bigger. Okay, hope you guys able to see it. Title skill or a company. Yeah, so select this. Okay, and just click save button. So it's saying that text cannot be empty. City underscore name. Maybe I will just give United Kingdom, and I'll just do save. Once you do save, here United Kingdom, instead of this, click on this and it will say city name. Just do double click and save. Now here just do double click, go to here and current keyword, just hit current keyword and do save. Now what we did, launch Chrome, wait 2 seconds, then set variable, that is United Kingdom, and that variable we pass it to this populate box, that is for a city. The second populated box we passed keyword, current keyword, so that it will, whatever the Excel we are trying to search, it will come under this. That's it. What we need to do, we just delete all of this, or the button search, right? We need button search as well. So let's just do it at the end of this. Okay, and rest as of now we don't require it, so this we delete. Okay, yeah, let's do save it and run it, and let's see will be able to achieve this or not. Okay, so if you observe that this is working as expected, as we are searching the um, putting current keyword which is coming from Excel, and then we are adding, and it is, adding the it is clicking on a search box. So what we'll need to do is, let's add more filters. When you search, click on search. Okay, go to the filter button, and let's date posted, we'll do it past 24 hours, and click on the 23K result, what it is showing it. So for this one, we need to again record it, right? So for this, now what we have to add it, if you go with this and you see this one button search, there's many of them, right? It is showing, so we don't require it. So just delete from here. So in future you will be working on any task, anything, this will be a clean code, and you will be find it very easily what exactly web, and under which web you are using which element. Okay, so now see, if you see, I have deleted this one, but that the button search was from another one. So I'll just double click because we already have it, so we don't need to be. I'll just click on the save search button, select, and just save. Now under this only I have to add uh, 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 okay, the past. Okay, so here we have a drop down for filter, apply filter on time frame, date and time, or past 24 hours. Then so I'll just control click. So I got this date posted here. Once I click on this, okay, so if you see, it is saying that once I click on this, it is opening this, and I'll just set it up past 24 hours, the label past 24 hours. If I click on this, it is clicking it. If I click on this, it is clicking it. Yeah. So the span class, instead of so whenever radio button comes, it's good practice to take it a label instead of span. If you see here, it is getting a span, but the whole box, it is getting a label. So try to best practice to use it the label as a button. Now once you do this, just hover this here, and what we need, the last, show results. Okay, so this is a button, click, and the show results. This is done for the 24 hours. Now what we need to do, we need a remote. Okay, so I'll just click on this remote, click on this, and this is this hybrid remote on site. Okay, so I'll just go with the remote or hybrid. Okay, so anything is fine. Okay, I'll just click on this, and the last button is this. Okay, so if you see, the 6 1 are came, and okay, fine, at least these two, let's try to add it now. Similar way, how we it gonna do it, go to click. So if you see here, these two are text box where we need to put our some value. So that is the reason we just did populate text box. But for the filter, like date posted or remote job lister, right, that one is not a kind of text box, it's just a drop down. So what we need to do is click link on UI page. Okay, so just click on this. After the search, you have to put it, click link on UI page. UI element, what we need to research, if you see this second one. Okay, so button, this is what we required. Select this, and okay, so we have one more, is a click type. What kind of click you are doing on that particular event. So that event you can in future give it. As of now, we are giving just a left click and just save it. Once you do this, you have to select, because we already have past 24 hours the label. So again, you have to just click come to here, and UI element, you have to just search it, the label here, and just select and save. Once you've done this, one more click. Okay, this click is for button, the show results button, and select and save. Okay, so let's save and let's try it out. Is this our filter is working or not? Please do observe it's entered the first value, Python developer, and your location. Now we click on dead post. Okay, so it's stuck into dead posted. That means we found an issue. Okay, what it is saying that the label, the element selector, this is not found. It is saying that. Okay, so let's see which one is this. So the filter by, okay, I'll just click. Yeah, exactly what it is. Because you know what happened when um we was recording this dot posted, it was the label was different. Okay, but while our code is doing it is, I think it is a past 24 hours, and here it is a past 24 hours. It's the same then. Let me see what could be the error now. Div. Okay, so I think it is not finding it out, or maybe it happens that ID we are looking is dynamic. So what we'll do, we have a 2 3 checks to do it. Follow. I'll just go and edit for this. We'll see is this same button what we have given for this. Yeah, this is a past 24 hour. Okay, now what we'll do, go and click this edit button, see the checks. So one by one we'll see here. This is giving the ID is outlet date posted filter value. Then we'll go with here, ID is this. Okay, come scroll it down and let's see what it is doing. It is saying that this drop down filter search, this is correct. Let's do that last one, ordinary value equals to 3, and this is a posted. Now if you see this, what it is giving, the ordinal is equals to 3. Ordinal means sequence of the check. So it is first 1 2 3 4, so 0 1 2 3. So it depends how this checking the sequence. Now what we'll try, we will try that giving the 4, and we'll see how it's work. But before that we'll just check it out more steps, if they have given anything unique here, or that is mismatching with our result, that we'll see. The id, it is equals to saying that our variable. Okay, gen 62, the id what it is saying. So what would we need to do, it just click on this, right click and inspect the element past 24. Once you right click and inspect the element and just hover it. Okay, so once you hover it, you'll see this. This is an input and this is a label, and actually we were trying to use it label only instead of input or something like that. So if you see this, for this label we don't have a ID. Okay, so and I am thinking that is what exactly root cause for our the this checkbox, because it is searching for the particular ID and that ID is not able to visible it here. So what we need to do, it search rescuable value and label. This is our class. Okay, just do that copy and we'll see that this says 1 2 3 4. Okay, so instead of this, Okay, I'll just remove this ID. We'll go to at the end, and if you see this ID is not there, we'll just add it class, and here we'll do it for and save, and let's go and run it one more time. Okay, let's observe. It should type Python developer, yeah, then United Kingdom, click on search. Now it click on, oh, because of this, I'll just rerun one moment. Yeah, I'll just rerun it, but still it is saying that ID is not found. Okay, that another one, second one. Let me run first this. Okay, Python developer, United Kingdom, search, date posted. It, yep, it is selecting past 24 hours. Now see, we checked, and we this how we can no the root cause. We found root cause and fix it. Similar way we have to do it for this button as well, because somewhere it is showing that the ID Amber 621 is not found. Might be this ID is getting changed. Okay, that ID might be it's dynamic. So just click on this over on button, and you see this, the button ID is Amber 569 exactly, and when that button we were recording mode, that time it was Amber 62. So yeah, this could be an bad for us to check this Amber. So for this one, what we need to do it, we'll just go again and we'll see what parameters, like expect the ID, what parameters we can get useful, so that we'll get to know and be able to click it. So just add it, and we'll say how many it's okay. The only last one is enable, and ID is this, and class is this. So what we'll do, IDs will keep uh, ID, and it's equals to, we can say that n contains, and the 621. Okay, that we will remove, and the class is as well the, if you see this, let's see this class, and that class is matching. What class is art deco? Okay, button space art deco button hyphen 2 art deco button view ml12. Yeah, so we'll go with the class and ID which should contains Amber. Okay, and just do it, save. And now what we need to do, I'll just close this all browser instance, it's already open, and run this. Date posted selected, we click on this, then going on to, okay, so you remember what it missed? Okay, so we have given two filters. One is remote, and oh, yeah. So now the date posted is given now, but we have to add one more filter, that is a remote. So similar way you have to do this. Go to click web page. Okay, for remote go to this. Okay, sorry, not that. Okay, and this three already we fixed. Go to button, this remote, and select, and just do save. Scroll up again, click on this, come up on this and just do scroll up. The second hybrid, select and save. Now scroll down, UI element, and just last button is show to select and save. Now uh, like you already observe from earlier three steps that we have uh, dynamic IDs for this one. So before run, let's go and check it out if this is using a dynamic ID or not. So for the remote, let's go with which one, this last. If you see here, we don't have any number, so that's fine. We'll just cancel it for the first. Now see the second, that is a checkbox for the hybrid. Click on this, come on and click on this. Let's scroll it down and okay, you see so many. So yeah, click on this. Here we nothing is using, the least nothing is using, nothing is using, nothing. Okay, just okay, let me just scroll it down and let's see the topmost. Okay, so what you did, if you see here as well, there is an ID 66. So instead of equal, just do it contents and the last ID, remove the 66 and just do it save. But before that, let me see the another one as well. Div filter, nothing is there. Form filter, nothing is here as well. Yeah, I guess we are good. So just save it and do the save here as well. Now the nothing but last one. If I click on this and go to edit and just click on this edit icon, at last we'll see. Okay, if you see the same here as well, Amber 808, the ID currently might be indifferent, so we have to enable this class ID, and just ID contains remove a number and just keep it Amber and save. That's it. Now save the your code and let's run and we will see how this is working. Okay, it is typing the keyword, then city, then search, going to date post. Okay, it is filtering, going should be remote. Okay, hybrid. Fine. It's showing an error, or it, I think it should not be, and found that button, the hybrid. It's what looking for. It is not able to check it out and not able to show, click on show result, and it's not showing an error as well. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just click on this and we'll see it should be in hybrid only. Let's do one more time. Just go to this recorder window. So instead of this, we'll go from here, click on this add UI element. Okay, um, just a moment. Okay, so let's click on add UI element, and once you are clicking add UI element, so we already done with the remote, will not do anything. If you see this, I'll just do control and the check mark for the remote filter. Okay, and hybrid. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. And the one more is here from button. I'll just click on this. Okay, and do the save click. Done. Click on the hybrid, and what we need to do, we'll just click on edit and we'll see what exactly its ID. So the top, we'll check it out. Filter, this ID is here, right? So we'll go with this and right click, inspect, and hybrid. Okay, so I think here, so the ID is for this particular input box, we have given the label, right? So we don't have any ID for this particular label. We have only the search usable, the class, and ID is workplace type 3. Okay, so if it is a workplace type 3, what we'll do, we'll just give a class, this one, the search reusable values. Okay, so instead of this ID, okay, the hybrid filter, right? If you see this, I will go at last label hybrid, the search usable, this I'll just remove the ID from this top one, uncheck of this, and go to the last label hybrid filter, and click on class, and for is equals to workplace type 3. That one we can give the for, we can try for. If this is not work, then maybe we'll just do uncheck, click on origin ordinal, and here we'll just give 2, because the sequence is second, the hybrid is on a second position. So but we'll just go with the for and work type, and just do the save, and just save. So as of now, I'm not using this 3 what we have recorded the last time. Okay, I'll just go with the existing one, only the removing ID, and at last option, I'm just checking the class and the for hybrid. So let's say if it is working fine. Okay, so it's a Python developer, United Kingdom, search, date posted, past 24 hours, click on remote, hybrid. Yeah, it's a first position, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so what you observe when it is clicking on hybrid, but the button for the show result, it's not showing. Although we did, I think, ID is content amber, and the what you observe hybrid is coming on top, and its sequence is changing. So the ordinal as well, it is we cannot do the ordinal for hybrid. So this time, yeah, we should use the type what we used existing one. Right click on this and just do it and edit. For this, just do it, edit. So now this is the button what we are using, the show 20k plus. If you see this, we are using a class and ID, but unfortunately it is not applying the result. Go to this and just scroll it down, the show result. Okay, so just see if it is, this easy button, same button we are looking. No, I guess, right? If you see, this is cancel, and this is a different one. What we'll do, just okay, um just do the cancel and see exactly. See, this is wrong, right? We have did. So what we'll do, just scroll it down, and that last, let's see, is what kind of this button is. Okay, I think it's not taken. Okay, so this is not taken as correctly, so that is the reason. So what we'll do, last time we have took it from we recorded few more, right? So just click on this and just select this URL, click on edit, and just see how the IDs is giving again. So we'll just give this contains and remove this 311, and class is equal, ID is enough, but still we'll go for the class for be the safer side, and just save, and yeah, just let's run it one more time. Okay, our main focus to verify the remote this time. Let's go. Okay, hybrid. And okay, so what you observe, it is not clicking on the show more button. That so see here, hybrid it is clicking, but the show 78 result, that button is not able to click it. What we need to do it, just click on this and show results, just right click and inspect what um class it is giving. It is giving the class. Let's compare the button class what it this has we have given. So let's try it out. I'll just change it to existing one and we'll try this. Okay, select, edit. Now see at the end, go to this. Okay, apply current filter to show this. Art Deco button, Art Deco button, Art Deco button hyphen 2, Art Deco button primary, Art Deco button primary, and Ember View ML M12. The class is correct. Now the ID. So if you see that its ID is Amber 311, we have just given ID Amber its content. So this should work, but I'm surprised it is not working. Okay, let's see the area. We'll just click on this. Okay, the job filter result. Okay, so what you see that the ID, this is not checked here, but ID is checked and for the filter bar. Okay, so I'll just uncheck this. Go to this, see if anything is checked in between. Okay, again, this is this ID is checked. Okay, the yeah, so this also ID is check. I don't require this IDs because we already given, right? Let's see if this, otherwise we will do one more check is that if IDs are checked, then there are multiple IDs. So what we'll do, we will just apply one more ID only, and then we'll check end to end, and we'll see if that ID also contains number. So we will do instead of equals, we will apply contents and we'll remove the number. But yeah, definitely that should be work. But let's see. Yeah, again, this is not working, the remote. So it is selecting hybrid, but not selecting this button. Just click on one more time, just click edit and div job search. Okay. Okay, the ID here is giving reusable filter bar. Let's see, is this ID present? Okay, go to this. Okay, so it is saying that this is on top filter bar. That is correct. I'll just give this. The class is unordered reusable filter list. Just search it here. Reusable filter list. Yes, we are able to search it. Reusable filter list. Yeah. So we found search result. We already exist into this. So we will do this check as well and this check as well. So let's do one thing. Let's just check it out if it is here primary filter. This is not, I don't think so. This will be in any um, uh, dynamic one. So I'll just click on this. See this is ID and that is not a dynamic, static looks like static. Okay, the filter, I'll just click on this, the class and the ID looks like dynamic. I'll just remove this double six from here and just put it this way. Okay, this is class I'll just click on this here. Okay. So this is class. I'll just click on this and this as well. Here I'll just click this class. Whatever I saw is static, and that I have directly used it. Now here as well I saw it's static. I'll just click on this. Cancel div, we don't require it. I'm just removing it and just do it safe. I don't know, this should be work. But it's think show that should work. Let's try it out one more time. So let's try it out and let's run it. It should work now, as we already given every the hierarchy parameters to particular button to so it will find it easily. And let's see. Okay, date post 24 hours, show result, then click on remote hybrid. Yes. So here we are, guys, and let's quickly recap what we have done in part 3. So open LinkedIn, type in the job keywords, filter the remote job, select a date posted and job types, click search and loaded the result. This is the foundation of our automated job search. So in a part 4, we will go a step further. We will teach our bot to loop through each job search, so each job result, and one open the job post profile and prepare to send them a message. So if your search bot is working, comment below search bot ready. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share it with your friends who are job hunting and learning automation. You are doing awesome. Thank you so much to watching part 3. See you in part 4 where we take this to next level. Thank you so much. Bye.